Hi everyone. In today's video I'm going to introduce you to a bunch of these beautiful plants. They are called begonias. So I'm in Mangalore at my dad's house. I learned all my gardening from my dad and he has a lovely collection of begonias. In today's video I'm just going to show you the different begonias that he has, and maybe in the next video I'm going to talk about begonia care. So most of the ones that he has especially are called the Rex begonias, or they are also called the Painted-Leaf Begonias. So if you see this, you have this lovely pink silver grey leaf, and then you have this beautiful green begonia. You have this which looks like a beautiful painted leaf altogether, right, with these green, and then you have splotches of pink on it. You have this one which is again silver white with a green center. Similarly, you have this dark green, again a beautiful Rex begonia. Okay, you have a Ceylon in the middle of it as well. This is a different structure of the leaf. If you look at the leaf, you know it's got a different structure, scalloped structure on the leaf. Okay, and then you have this one which I already showed you. These are similar varieties. Okay, now you see this one. This one is a little different. See these lovely leaves on this one, and you can also see the blooms. So if you see the blooms here, there are certain kinds of begonias, especially the tuberous ones, which are really grown for its blooms. But the Rex begonias or the painted leaf begonias are more grown for their foliage. So just look at how beautiful the foliage looks here. Okay, so these are lovely, and you can see the blooms here as well. Blooms can be very different. This one here has got pink. Similarly, this one is still in the process of blooming. These are buds. Okay, you have this beautiful silver one as well. And most leaves are asymmetrical. So if you see, that's the beauty of the begonias, where their leaves are pretty asymmetrical. This is a different variety again, which I haven't shown you. This one here, again with its lovely pink blooms. This is a lovely different variety. It looks like somebody has painted the leaf. That's how beautiful it is. This is a begonia again, begonia variety, very beautiful. Okay, so lovely begonias. So this one has white blooms as well. You can see the blooms here. I also want to show you there are some here. Again, the painted leaves. You have this one there. If I just zoom on this one, this is called the angel wing begonia. Okay, and if you see the angel wing, the flowers are a lot more. You can see those orange flowers dangling from the plant. The flowers are a lot more beautiful, and they are quite remarkable, right, when compared to the painted leaf begonias, which are grown more for their foliage. So these are some of the begonias that you see. This again is a kind of a begonia, again grown more for its leaves as well as blooms, both. Okay, so some of these will have blooms in the right season. It will have blooms all through the plant, and I have seen some of these blooming that way. Okay, so these are the begonias. Maybe in one of the subsequent videos I'm also going to show you my dad's garden, all the different plants that he has. So today the focus is on begonias itself that he has, and then more of the collection of begonias that he has, rather than begonia care. So if you see this is how he's arranged it. Really looks pretty. So he's put them on these metal stands and in different layers, and that looks really pretty. So when you enter, so that's where our gate is, and when you enter the house, you can see these beautiful begonias welcoming you right into the house. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and more in the subsequent videos. Bye for now.